Hi, tipsters. Hi, families. Get ready for number corner. If you're ready to sit to talk, if you're ready, make sure you're loud and proud. Thumbs up, thumbs down, too slow. Thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs up, elbows out. Get ready. I love math. Yes, I do. I love math. How about you? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Silently stand one. Make sure you have some glue. Months of the year, get ready. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Months of the year. Today is, say it with me, Tuesday, March 31st, 2020. Say it one more time. Get ready. Today is Tuesday, March 31st, 2020. How many days have we been in school? Count with me, get ready. 100, stop, switch, count by tens. 110, 120, 130. Oops, Miss Ross dropped one. 130, stop, switch, count by ones. 131, 132, 133, 134, 135. We've been in virtual school a new day, so we need to add 10 more. What about 5 more? 100 more? Oh, silly Miss Ross. Just one more. Count with me, get ready. 100, stop, switch, count by tens. 110, 120, 130, stop, switch, count by ones. 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136. Let me go ahead and write the number 136 on my hundreds, tens, and ones chart. So 136. Let's see. Looking at our number 136. How many tens are in the number 136? 3 tens. And 3 tens is the same as what? 3 tens is the same as 30. It's the same as, how many ones are in the number 136? Looking at our chart, how many ones are in the number 136? You're right. You found the ones place, and you see that there's 6 ones in the number 136. Last question. How many hundreds are in the number 136? Show me in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Did we get the same answer? Sure did. There's 100 in the number 136. There's 3 tens in the number 136. And there's 6 ones in the number 136. Get ready, because I have one last question. Is it odd or even? Odd or even? Odd or even? Odd or even? The number 136, we just said it had 100, 3 tens, and 6 ones. Is the number 136 odd or even? But how do you know? Think about it. Is number 136 odd or even? And how do you know? 5 more seconds. You're right. You know the number 136 is even because there's a 6 in the ones place. And you know that 6 is even. One more time. You know the number 136 is even because there's a 6 in the ones place. And you know that 6 is even. Say, yep, I got it. Great. Moving on to coins. Coins. Get ready. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. A penny's worth 1 cent. A nickel's worth 5 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. A quarter, 25. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. This would be so quick because you all know them just like that. This is called a penny. How much is it worth, show? 1 cent. And we know this is a penny because what? It's facing the wrong way. All up in the Kool-Aid, but don't know the flavor. This is called a quarter. Got it. This is called a quarter. How much is it worth? Show me with your hands in 3, 2, 1. 25 cents. Give yourself a pat on the back if you got that right. It's worth 25 cents. Ooh, Miss Ross got stuck to the calendar. It's worth 25 cents. But how do you know it's a quarter? You told me it's a quarter, but how do you know? I see it's a quarter because it has a curl. Of the coins up here is the biggest coin. So compared to a penny, nickel, and a dime, the quarter is the biggest coin. How else do you know that's a quarter? What does it say? You got it. It says $quarter. It says 2 more coins. This is called a dime. How much is it worth? It's worth 10 cents. But how do you know it's a dime? You know it's a dime because it has a straight line. On the dime, I see a straight line. On the dime, I see a straight line. On the dime, I see a straight line. Last coin. This is called a nickel. How much is it worth? 5 cents. It's worth 5 cents. You're correct. But how do we know this is a nickel? You know it's a nickel because he has a break. Great. It's time to switch count. It's time to count by ones. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Switch. Count up by tens. 10, 20, 30. Can't hear you. 80, 90, 100. Stop. Switch. Count up by ones. 100, 101, 102, 103. Keep going. Almost there. Stop. Switch. Count back by tens. 110, 100, 90, 80. Keep going. Stop. Switch. Count back by ones. Stop. Switch. Count up by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20. Keep going. Stop. Switch. Count up by twos. 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62. Keep going. 76, 78, 80. Stop. Switch. Count back by tens. 80, 70, 60, 50. Keep going. Stop. Switch. Count back by ones. 10. Zero. I have a tricky question. Count up by fives, starting at the number 35. Count with me. 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. Stop right there. Can we count up by 2, starting at 22? Get ready. 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Your turn. 30. Stop. Let's count by 10. Starting at 10, we're going to go all the way to 120. Eyes on the 120. Try if you need a little bit of help. Count by 10s. Get ready. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Louder. 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Now let's count back by 10s, starting at 120. Count back by 10s, get ready. 120, 110, 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50. Let's twos, get ready. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 30, 30, 36, 38, 40. Great. Kirsten, I have a question. Do you know how to compare numbers? I knew you did. So I have a few problems right here. I need your help. So the first one says 3 tens and then the number 27. I need to find a way to compare these numbers. Say compare, compare, compare. Yeah, I'm going to compare these two quantities or these two numbers. But when I'm comparing numbers, do I read left to right or do I read right to left? That's right. I always read left to right. I always read. Great. So I need to compare 3 tens and the number 27. 3 tens, 1, 2, 3, is the same as how much? 3 tens is the same as how much? Let's count it. 10, 20, 30. So 3 tens is the same as what number? 30. For friends that need help, you can literally draw it. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 tens, and I'm going to label them. I'm going to count them. 10, 20, 30. So now I have the number 30 and the number 27. Which number do you think the alligator mouth is going to want to eat? Is he going to want to eat 30 or is he going to want to eat 27? That's right. He's going to want to eat 30 because it's the bigger number. It's the greatest number. He's going to want to eat the number 30 because it's the greatest number. He's going to eat which number? 30 because it's the what? Greatest number. So I'm going to draw my alligator mouth open to 3 tens or to the number 30. Let's try this number. We had this one. We have 46 and we have 64. Ooh, it's a little tricky. So what does the alligator always want to eat? You're right. He always wants to eat the greater number. So these both numbers have the same numbers, but they're just switched. So I want to look in the tens place first to see which number is bigger. So in the number 46, there's 4 tens, but in the number 64, how many tens are there? 6. Which one's bigger, 4 or 6? Oh, 6 tens is bigger than 4 tens. So the alligator mouth is going to want to eat the number 46 or the number 64. Kiss your brain. He definitely wants to eat the number 64 because 6 tens is bigger than 4 tens. So if we were to read this left to right, what would it say? 46 is less than 64. I'm going to go ahead and write that. 46 is less than 64. Miss Ross got tricked. I forgot to do this one. Say silly, Miss Ross. How would I read this one left to right? It's showing me that the alligator mouth is eating 3 tens, so that must tell me that 3 tens is the bigger number. So how would I write this if I were reading it from left to right? 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I would say 3 tens is greater than 27 because the alligator mouth is eating or is open to 3 tens. Last one. Oh my gosh. This looks so tricky. It says 3 tens, 10 ones, and then it gave me the number 40. What do you think my first step should be? Should I just guess or should I probably try to draw this out? You're right. I should definitely draw this out. So this says 3 tens. Let me draw that. 1, 2, 3, and 10 ones. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to count to see how many I have all together. Count with me. 10, 20, 30. Stop. Switch. Count by 1. 31, 32, 33, together, this makes another 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 gives me 40. So 3 10s and 10 1s is the same as 40. Then I have the number 40 over there. Is 40 less than, greater than, or equal to 40? You're so right. They're equal because they're the same number. So let's practice reading each of these problems from left to right. 3 10s is greater than 27. Read it with me. 46 is less than 64. And last one, 40 is equal to 40, or 3 10s and 10 1s is equal to 40. Wow, you all did such a great job with number cornering and comparing numbers. I wonder what other numbers we're going to have to compare later this week. Bye, Kipsters. Bye, families.